Okay, so right behind me is the 2019 Ford Ranger, which was brand new last year. And what we've done now is added a whole bunch of brand new Ford performance parts that you can buy from your Ford dealer. So take a look at this. So if you like to go off-road with your Ranger, you can order an FX4 today with things like an electronic locking rear differential, skid plates. But if you really want to go off-road and have some fun, now from Ford Performance and your Ford dealer, you can order an ARB performance front bumper. And it also has an optional front winch.
Awesome.
If you need that. And then for Ranger to help with a little bit better improved ground clearance, we have a leveling kit. So the leveling kit actually raises the front end up so that it's even with the rear by about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And in addition to leveling out the entire stance of the truck, you can get these new wheels, these Ford Performance wheels with the BFG all-terrain tires, the KO2 tires. And then, if you want to improve the suspension and the ride off-road, we also offer Fox shocks. Different from Raptor. Raptor still has the internal bypass top-of-the-line shocks.
Maybe we can see them here?
These, yep. So if you look under here, you can see the new Fox shocks that are available from Ford Performance for Ranger. So the great news, available at your Ford dealer. You also have the potential that if you buy your Ranger brand new from the dealer, that you could wrap this up into a single monthly payment and leave with a very capable, even more capable off-road Ranger.